What's up, everybody? It's Bitcoin Derek here. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the volatility of Bitcoin. The last few days, it's been going berserk as far as going up, down, very congested. And just in the last 24 hours, you see it's like a $300 difference. What's making that happen? As you see, Bitcoin has been fluctuating like crazy. Not even 20 days ago, it was up to 9,000. November 7th, 9,352. That's a $2,000 difference, over almost $1,800 difference. It's been very volatile. But with the platform I'm with, called Mirror Trading International, it really doesn't matter if it go up or down, because the power of compounding that come with trading Forex allows you, even when the market is down, to still make Bitcoin in the Forex market. I make Bitcoin if it go up or if it go down. It doesn't really matter. And that's the beauty of being with this opportunity, because even if I don't recruit one person, I'm making Bitcoin daily. There hasn't been one day since I joined this opportunity. Way back when I joined this opportunity, it's October 11th, really. I say around October 11th. Let's go back to October 11th and check that out. Went a little too far. Let me see, October. Let's figure this out. Okay. On October 11th, Bitcoin was at $8,315. Now you would assume, since I got my money in the Mirror Trading platform trading pool, I would lose money. I started off with $200. $200. So let's log into my back office. And you see it's down like over $2,200 right now. Or no, it's not down that much. It's only down like $1,200 though. $1,200 is a lot for a drop. So if you see right here in my trading pool, I got over $229. I haven't lost anything. So imagine when it go back up to that $8,300, I'm gonna have like probably $300. So I'm making Bitcoin regardless what goes on. That's the power of Forex and the power of compounding all in one. If you see here, when I first started with Mirror Trading International, the trading pool account was at 150, like 159. Today it's at 360 Bitcoin. So this also tells me that the people, the 3,800 paid members that's in the opportunity, are making money, and they continue to stay in it. Nobody is dropping out. Nobody is, taking out their money, because even if you do take out your funds, there's no fees. There are no fees when you take out your funds in this opportunity. So Mirror Trading International, to me, is like the bomb. It's like one of the best platforms. Anyone that really understand the power of compounding and the power of Forex in itself. Forex has been around for years, and our trading pool is through FX Choice. They handle our account. That's why we have no fees when when it comes to withdrawals. Our money is not controlled through it's traded in the pool of Mirror Trading International, but it's regulated through FX Choice that will make sure our money is secure. With that being said, let's check out the my bonuses, how my bonus has been since I've been with the platform. Just show you guys some real results. I'm saying these results are real. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go all the way back. I got 32 entries. And what that means, 32 entries mean I've been paid 32 times in the platform. And like I said before, I started on the 11th. It took a few days because I put my money into the platform on a Friday. So of course my trading profits didn't start till the 14th because it was the weekend. It's fine with that because as you see, on my first day of trading, I got 0.44. The second day was 0.82. And let's just reminisce. It kept going, every day. It's been it was ever since I've been in the platform, it's been averaging about 0.5% daily, according to these 42 entries or 32 entries. It's been averaging 12% monthly, according to these 32 entries. So to me, as you see today, it's the 27th. Yesterday's results, 0.83. That's good. I'm making Bitcoin daily. That's how I look at it. Every day I'm making Bitcoin, Monday through Friday, because that's when the Forex market trades. So I just want to, show you guys some proof of that. We got guys that's been talking about, a lot of people like on YouTube and other platforms, they've been saying, oh, you shouldn't take so long to get your withdrawals. Well, we don't prove that now. That it's only taking less than 6 hours to get your funds, because with our trading pool, the way it's only because of the way our trading pool work. People take the money out to trade. They got to take the money out the trading pool and pay you. That's what all it's about. It's not instant like some of these other platforms, but I'm getting my money. You get your money, and that's what count. Now I have a $200 challenge for those who join my team, and my goal is to show you guys honestly how to just compound. Stay in this opportunity for about 3 months, and you will be amazed at what you can do with your Bitcoin. Don't just sit on it. Don't just sit on your Bitcoin. If you got any Bitcoin, if you ain't got any Bitcoin, get you a Bitcoin wallet. Get you a Bitcoin wallet. Look at these tutorial videos. Get you a Bitcoin wallet and look at these tutorial videos and learn the platform. Once you learn the platform, you will be very, how do I want to put it? You will be very up to date on how Bitcoin work. You'll be up to date on how the binary work. You'll know how to teach other people how to add funds to their account, how to withdraw your Bitcoin. You'll be able to just understand the proper ways of building your business with Mirror Trading International. You'll understand how to get all your bonuses and what type of bonuses you get for bringing people in, 10% on referrals. And you just understand everything. So don't just sign up to something and don't learn it. But yeah, it's going back up already. You see it's at 75.63. Bitcoin is very volatile. Understand that. It's just very volatile. But the benefits of I look at this long term. I'm in the long run with this. 5 years at least. Look at it like that if you decide to join this opportunity. Just want to throw that in your ear. Show you guys what's going on. Show you I'm not worried about really what I'm making in the platform because I'm thinking long term. I'm just showing you guys the power of being in this opportunity. There's power in Bitcoin. Just like the gold rush was back in the day. This is our gold rush. So take advantage of it. Have a great day.